that has come out of that particular area, and that is where in fact the blast has happened, and this must have been broken subsequently to get access to the area and go inside in order to try and rescue the reactors. There are 2 reactors that were there, we are told, in this particular factory, and in every shift there were supposed to be about 120 to 150 people. The reason that they were not able to give the roster of how many people were there inside is because it is the administrative block where that kind of attendance sheet is used, and that actually people there have also got trapped, and there is no one who was actually maintaining the records who is available now to tell us who was inside and who's gone missing. Women are very anxious, very angry, because they are worried that their loved ones are still inside and they don't know any news of them and why they are not being given access or information. But inside, actually, if you were to see inside, there is still rescue operations that are going on, and therefore the police can do without having this extra responsibility of dealing with the emotions of these women. They are trying to counsel them, saying that the personnel, the fire personnel, the NDRF, SDRF are at work, and that the women should wait a distance away. Of course, this is a very emotionally charged atmosphere, and therefore difficult for the police also to be able to move them away using force. After 12 people were declared dead and 34 others shifted to hospital, still now NDRF and SDRF and the police and revenue department and fire department not really giving up, and they are bringing in equipment. There is a stench in the air of the chemical also that one has been feeling since the morning, and that crane in fact had just taken out a metal sheet that landed 100 meters away on top of this tree, and even that metal sheet had to be moved away. There was a 3-story structure that literally collapsed during this operation, and that under that all that debris is where people are believed to be trapped. At Pashamelaram with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.